Hi, I'm Sudeepta from Sri Chaitanya College. As we are having MCET exam conducted by the government for BTech students, and I need to join BTech. As there was COVID, so we didn't have college in second year, and first year there was no objective teach by our teachers. So we needed the MCET very much. It was more important for us to get a good rank. So we chose Junaids tutorial for the short-term course for MCET. It was better if we have chosen the long-term course, but we didn't have idea before. So we had choose the short-term course, and now short-term course is for 30 to 35 days. I had joined at June 25th. I have exam on August 6th. So most of the portion is completed. Max, though, first when I came here, I was like, physics, let us take light, no need of to write physics, because it's very hard, and I have heard that most of the students leave the physics mostly. But when I came here, physics is also like, especially Junaids teaches physics very well. So physics, now it's like I can try physics. At least for 40, I'll get 20 marks. I have that confidence. And chemistry, ma'am had covered mostly the portion. Max 80 bits. There's a confidence that we'll get 65 above. So this is very useful, and I felt very happy coming here. Now I have an exam on 6, so I need to see my result next. Thank you.